Chia seeds are often promoted as weight loss aid due to their high fiber and protein content. Fiber and protein are known to help you keep full and satisfied, which can help you eat fewer calories overall. Today I'm going to show you a few different ways in which you can take chia seeds every day. My name is Shrikant Singh and welcome to our channel Happy Bellyfish. The easiest and probably the most traditional Mexican way is to make Iskiate. Take a glass of water, add a dash of lemon depending on how sour you like it, and add a teaspoon of chia seeds to it. The chia seeds needs around 20 minutes to soak up and add a nice gel-like structure to water. This soluble fiber gives a nice satiety feeling. But an easier and a better way to do this is to soak chia seeds overnight and then add it to the water you're drinking just after you wake up. This also saves you a lot of time. The water you're drinking the first thing in the morning can be lukewarm, which can actually help in bowel movements. This drink Iskiate is a great source of hydration and protein and is something that can easily replace your pre and post workout drink. Iskiate is not the only way to add chia seeds to your diet. Chia seeds can be added to anything that you're having for your breakfast, be it sweet or savory. Usually the imagination stops at chia seeds pudding, but you can add soaked chia seeds to your smoothies or to your juice. So your carrot juice or watermelon slush can have one new ingredient, and this can be a great way to get chia seeds into kids' nutrition. You can add it to your breakfast bowl with muesli and milk. You can add it to your omelets or to your breakfast porridges and even oatmeals. Chia seeds are very easy to carry and prepare. So they need about 20 minutes to soak up the water. So for those people who spend a lot of time at their desk and do not have the time to prepare their own meal, adding it to a water bottle can help you stay nourished and hydrated. But what I love about chia seeds is that they have a very mild and nutty flavor, almost tasteless. So it can be added to anything you're having for lunch. Some ideas can be adding them to your soup, lentils, hummus, falafel, salad, salmon steak, or even vegan pasta, and you wouldn't even notice it. You can quite literally use it as a dressing. Try adding it to your ice cream sorbet the next time you're having it, and you will absolutely love the texture that chia seeds add to it. Now for those who are into baking, soaked chia seeds can be added to the flour when you're preparing the dough. And this dough can be used for making your bread or cookies. You can either grind the chia seeds and then soak them and then add it to the flour, or you can even just add the whole soaked chia seeds to the flour. Chia seeds and flax seeds are both excellent alternatives to eggs in baking. Soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in 3 tablespoons of water, and this should replace 1 egg. If you like to make roti or flatbreads with non-glutinous flour like sorghum flour or maize flour, then chia seeds can work like an excellent binding agent. At Happy Bellyfish, we believe that eating whole food is key to healthy living. To check out our uncomplicated recipes, please browse our other recipes. If you think this video has brought some new ideas and values to you, then please support us with your like and subscribe. The sugary jam from the market are not the best thing to have, especially if you're on a weight loss. So chia seeds, when added to fresh jams that are made by mashing berries, can give you this nice texture and act like a thickener. If you want to make a 2-ingredient strawberry jam, then just press the ripe strawberries with fork or coarsely blend them and add soaked chia seeds to it. And this soaked chia seeds will add some thickness to this jam that you're making. Beverages are something that we have throughout the day, and various herbal teas are recommended for weight loss. Chia seeds can be added to herbal tea infusions. Here I have added chia to a ginger lemongrass tea that I have made. This tea is very simple to make. It's very relaxing by itself, but adding chia can add the added benefits that you can get from these seeds. Let me know in the comments how you take chia seeds, and it might help a lot of other people with some new ideas. And how should you not consume chia? Chia is very rich in fiber, so you might like to first look at what your overall diet looks like. How much grains, legumes, fruits, bread, etc. are you having? And accordingly, you can add or start with a teaspoon of soaked chia seeds and then add more if you think it is necessary. Remember that too much fiber intake can also lead to bloating and constipation. Usually an ounce or about 2 tablespoons is what most people eat, and that gives about 11 grams of fiber. There is no recommended dietary guideline on how much chia seeds one must include, but whole foods also act as a source of nutrition, and this is something that you must remember. Soaking chia seeds is also important because chia seeds can soak up to 10 times its weight in liquid. So when you swallow it unsoaked, the chia seeds will get the water it needs from your body. Having too much chia seeds unsoaked and then drinking water can lead to blockage in the esophagus. People with swallowing difficulties or dysphagia might want to eat chia seeds with precaution. So why are chia seeds considered a superfood? Well, some people say it's a marketing term, this whole superfood fad. But the fact is that in modern day diet or reality, we are more and more dependent on canned foods and processed foods, which is not a good thing. Just adding chia seeds can be a good starting point, and from there you can kind of look at other ways of improving your diet and reducing processed foods, which will greatly benefit in your weight loss journey and also in improving your overall health. Chia is valued for its omega-3 fatty acids content, which may have some weight loss benefits, and some studies suggest that omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, which is associated with obesity and some other metabolic disorders. And not just that, research has also shown that a diet that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids helps in preventing heart diseases and stroke, and may even help control eczema and rheumatoid arthritis. Since chia seeds are a rich source of fiber, they can work as an excellent laxative for those who suffer from constipation due to low fiber intake in their diet. Chia seeds are also rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, and vitamin B1, B2, and B3. These vitamins are essential nutrients that play a vital role in energy production and metabolism in your body. For those doing marathons, this might interest you. Tarahumara tribe from Mexico are known for their long distance running ability, and chia seeds are their natural fuel of choice. Adding chia seeds into a healthy, balanced diet offers plenty of health benefits and can be a great addition to your weight loss plan. But other foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains must not be neglected. Simply adding chia seeds to an otherwise unhealthy diet is unlikely to lead any significant weight loss on its own. Weight loss is not a cosmetic change. A healthy weight and the efforts that you take to maintain it leads to less complicated and a graceful life. I hope you enjoyed this content, and thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video.